Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video we'll see this high pressure battery operated means cordless bike washing spray gun or the machine. See here this foot valve is just floating on the water, so I just kept a bit of weight so that it gets drowned into the bucket, and all the bike washing procedure is completed within the bucket. At the end of the video you will get to know. So this is the battery operated high pressure car or bike washing machine which the user has purchased for 1200 rupees. Anyway, I'm going to drop the unboxing video in the description. You can see here, this is the unboxing video I did, and just find it in the description. See here, there are two nozzles provided. One is the high force, this is the high force water cleaning. Okay, this nozzle is for high wash and the other is for spraying. So within the package we'll get two. So this high pressure water nozzle is useful to remove the dried up mud or anything, the dried up mud or waste which is accumulated in the inner parts of the bike. You can clean them. Okay, see here, you can see the pressure. Okay, you can see the pressure, but don't compare this battery operated machine. This is 48 volt. Okay, don't compare this with the what is this motor running high pressure water servicing what you see in the outline stores, but this is definitely a good high pressure water machine under the budget of 1300 rupees. And in this demo you will see the bike is getting clean very good. Along with this as I said, there is another nozzle, right? You just need to pull this down and remove the nozzle, the attachment, and you need to plug in the other attachment so that this will gently spray. So after you apply some foam like thing, maybe shampoo or something like whichever you may use, and after that this would be useful to spray and clean those foam material. See here, this is for gentle spray. Okay, you usually see in the water servicing what you take at the outside, but just from your home you can use within the bucket of water and you can clean by yourself. Okay, and that would be handy. And one more advantage here is you can carry it anywhere because there is no power source required for this, as this is battery operated. This is one of the biggest advantage for this machine. And the pressure wise this is decently good. And if you want a review video of this machine, please do ask in the comments. If I receive like at least 20 to 30 comments, then I'll be doing a review video, means for how many bikes the battery is getting lasted, and how is the performance after using this for maybe like 2 to 3 months, and everything I'll be posting in the next video. Yeah, if I receive enough like 20 to 30 comments. And this is the spray bottle which is included in the package only. Okay, this is also included in the package. Let me just test this attachment also. Maybe I can remove that foot valve and I can attach this foaming liquid to spray on the bike so that for the cleaning process. Once I apply this foaming all over the bike, later I can use some cloth to clean every part of the bike. Then again the same procedure, we can spray the water and we can complete the process of bike washing. And please do comment your opinion on this what is this high pressure car or bike washing machine. How do you feel about this? Okay, yeah, you can attach like this, and just the same way you can use the spraying, right? Yes. Now this water is the what is this shampoo water. Okay, and after that you can remove that. See here, you can remove, and again you can install that foot valve and just keep it in the water, under the water, and you can complete the cleaning process. That's it. And after that with the dry cloth you can anyway clean. Yeah, this is doing a decent job, I can say, because with less strain, with less efforts also. And moreover, the best important thing is it is consuming very little amount of water, that I can say. Please do comment your opinion. With one bucket all the cleaning process has been completed for this bike. Yeah, if you like this video demo, please do hit a like. That would be a great help for me. Thanks for watching.